The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council today backed the decision of the Mawsynram Dorbar Shnong to ban Hindu rituals in South Mawjymbuin cave. In response to a discussion by UDP MDC Balajit Rani, KHADC CEM Pinyat Singh's aim confirmed that the matter is still pending before the Meghalaya High Court, which has instructed the East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner to form a committee to resolve the issue. SAME condemned the Kutumba Suraksha Parishad's KSP threat to disrupt road connectivity between Assam and Meghalaya unless the ban is lifted, calling it an act of contempt. Opposition leader Tito Starwell Khan also supported the Mawsynram decision, stating that KSP's actions insult the Khasi indigenous community.
Regulation, so kami long serious. Kapag ihap ay perhatian, bagi siya lang, bagi siya lang ini dikit ini. Minum itang ada berbos na Mawsynram. Minum itang kahima Mawsynram. Ina yang semua bahan hot, ya baru kahima bagi dia yang terlilang. Nikmat ya baru kita nikmat, dia dari yang terlilang. Baru itu nuan saya malah, tajak ini berapa? Ini bagi yang terlilang Allah ini. Makanya izin berniaga masuk kalau ke insaf dari kecil ibadah, jangan jatuh.